Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Accounts or Google. This lets you access the central password manager. Once there, tap Passwords or Autofill service to reach saved credentials. Make sure you are signed into the Google account that syncs passwords. If not, sign in now. You will be prompted for your screen lock or biometrics. This protects the list. Follow these first actions to unlock access, because without the account and lock, you cannot view entries. Once done, you see a list of saved accounts organized by site or app. This is where you actually retrieve credentials. Tap any entry to reveal the username and masked password, then authenticate with PIN, pattern, or fingerprint so you can view the full text. Use the search box to jump directly to an exact domain or app name when the list is long. Make sure to copy safely or use autofill to sign in instead of exposing the password on screen. To finish, edit outdated entries or delete credentials you no longer use to reduce risk. Tap Edit and save changes. If some passwords are missing, make sure Password Sync is enabled under Google Account Settings and wait for sync to complete. If you cannot access the password list because authentication fails, verify your screen lock PIN or biometric settings and use account recovery if necessary. One troubleshooting tip: re-enable autofill with Google and restart the device to refresh stored entries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.